what will you do with that eggplant? Oh, you will cook eggplant chop, right?
I'll make an eggplant chop.
Okay, great. So that's good. Okay, let's go. Let's go for cutting the eggplant. Yay! Today Aaron is going to cut an eggplant. And what will you do with this eggplant?
I'll
You
make
need help?
No.
Okay, so I think you can cut. Carefully cut. Wow, great. Give me. Oh, what are you doing? I think you have finished your cutting. We have plant cutting, right?
Yes. And one flip like a Tina shape.
Oh.
Boop, boop. Mouse.
Okay, so we can go to the next step, right? Okay. What are you doing?
I'm mixing this.
You are going to mix the some powders, I think, right?
Yes.
For your eggplant chop. So, what is this here? I think here is some pulses powder. Which one is pulses powder? This one, right? How much here? How many teaspoons? How many teaspoons pulses powder? 5, right? And the chili, some chopped chili, right? And it is flour. How many spoons? 3 spoons, right? 3 spoons flour.
Yes.
And some rice powder.
Yes.
Rice powder 2 spoons, right? Okay, so now you will mix together. Pour it here in this bowl. Okay, and some chili, chopped chili. Okay, so now it's time to pour some water. Okay, pour some water.
Okay. Leave.
Little by little, okay?
Yes.
Mix. Carefully mix. Carefully, gently. Okay. Some salt. Okay, do it.
I do it.
Okay, I have done. Okay. Now we were pouring some
Oil.
little. Okay. Okay, very good. Now you are adding some
Baking powder.
baking soda. It is
Baking
baking
soda.
soda. Yes. Okay, do it.
I do it already.
Thank you. Aaron, what are you doing? You were? Wow, very nice.
I don't have to ask quick.
Oh, wow.
Thank
Stay
you.
there.
Baking quick. A baking quick. Another one.
Eggplant chop.
It's not chop. It's
Eggplant
begoni.
chop. It's begoni.
Mama.
It's Bangla. It's, check.
No.
Is that
Yummy.
tasty? Wow. Who cooked? Is Aaron cooked?
Yes.
Good. Looking delicious, really.
Mama. But
How it is? It's crispy and tasty, right?
yes.
Okay. To all.
I love it.
And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
You are
I'm invited to have this begoni.
you are most welcome.
You're most welcome.
Allah Hafiz.
I love it.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.